family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making biryani meat without curd. It's a very simple recipe and let's begin. In a pan, add some oil, fry onions until golden. This is one of the easiest biryani recipes. So at this point we remove the onions and set aside. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. So in the same oil, we add cardamon seeds, bay leaves, onions, and fry until light brown. We add the ginger garlic paste, meat, and fry until the color changes. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for always liking, commenting and sharing. So we then add seasoning, add salt and mix. Add chopped tomatoes. Mix well until the tomatoes become soft. Add 2 cups of water to cover the meat and cook for around 45 to 1 hour on medium until the meat becomes soft and all the water evaporates. Add fresh coriander, fresh mint and mix. So at this point the meat is ready. We're going to put it aside and prepare the rice. So for the rice we are going to boil water with cardamom seeds, anise, cinnamon stick, bay leaf, lemon juice with salt and oil. So after the water boiling we add rice and cook it 90% cooked. So at this point the rice, you can see the rice, we drain it and start preparing. So we are now going to start making layers of meat and rice. We remove the meat. This is one of the best recipes of biryani meat without curd. I just love it. So we are going to put some of the rice. Followed by half of the meat. Some of the onions that we fried in the beginning, lemon juice, so we do the same to all of the rice and meat. the last layer of rice, we add the fried onions and a little bit of saffron. So cover the rice very well and steam on low heat for 30 minutes. So this is our rice after 30 minutes. You can serve the food. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and sharing. We meet again. Bye.